Tired of hefty fees and complicated processes when sending money home to Kenya? We're diving into a simple, reliable solution: Worldremit. First, head over to worldremit.com or download their app. Creating an account is quick. Just follow the prompts to register with your email and personal information. You'll need to verify your identity, usually with a photo ID like a driver's license or passport. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Now, let's set up your transfer. Choose Kenya as the receiving country. Worldremit will then show you the different ways your recipient can receive the money. Common options include mobile money like M-PESA, bank transfer, or even cash pickup locations. M-PESA is super popular in Kenya for its convenience. Next, you'll need to specify how much you want to send. Worldremit will clearly display the exchange rate and any transfer fees upfront, so there are no surprises. Then, choose your payment method. Worldremit accepts various payment options like debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Keep in mind that credit card companies might charge an advance fee, so debit cards or bank transfers are often more cost-effective. Now, fill in your recipient's details accurately. For M-PESA, this will be their mobile phone number. For bank transfers, you'll need their bank name, branch, and account number. Double-check everything to avoid delays or complications. Review all the details one last time. Make sure the amount, recipient information, and payment method are all correct. Then, confirm your transfer. Worldremit uses strong encryption and security measures to protect your money and personal information. After sending, you and your recipient will receive notifications about the transfer status. Transfers to M-PESA are often instant, while bank transfers may take a bit longer, and that's it. You've successfully sent money from the USA to Kenya using Worldremit. Give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Visit worldremit.com to get started sending money to Kenya today.